And I'm back with another one. If you want to see how I got this pretty burgundy and yellow look, then please stay tuned for the tutorial. Also, subscribe and like this video and let me know down below what you think of this new intro. Yay, I have fun doing this. I'm back. I know y'all missed me. I missed myself too. Anyway, let's get right into this. We're going to be using the Maybelline Master Prime. I don't know, it's 400. I just needed to blur and it says it does that, so that's what we're going to be doing, okay? So just lather that all over your face. Now I'm going in with my Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation by NYX in the color Mocha. And I'm also going to be using the Top Brow by Kiss in the color Ebony. This is what I've used in all of my videos. I don't use brow pencils. I only use the Dip Brow by the beauty supply store, basically, because I saw it and I liked it. So that's what we got. Now I'm going to be using my True Glam Brow Makeover Kit by Brow Bar in the color Dark. I'm using the concealer in there because it's thick and it sets better, is what I feel like. So I'm going to be using that just to shape my brow. I love doing the snap thing. So we're going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the color Cafe. I don't know why I'm coming off so warm. It's something on with the cameras or my lighting. I'm going to fix it for the next video. Don't worry. I just need to take the white lights instead of the yellow lights. I don't know. We're going to fix it, but we're just going to take Cafe, put it in our, you know, the areas of your face that you would like to highlight. I like to draw the light to the center of my face because my face is round and I don't like it. So I draw light to the center of my face. I'm using the Fenty Expresso contour. I couldn't get that out. I'm using the matchstick in Expresso. I'm going to blend that in. It blends good for me if you can blend it fast. But as you're going to see in a minute, when it gets to my forehead, it took me a minute. I know I have a lot of space up there, but it took me a minute to blend that out because it had dried down a little bit. I'm rocking out. Listen, I have music playing everywhere. I like to listen to music when I'm doing makeup. So the reason I contour down here is because it makes my lip look a little full. So yeah, I need that. So now we're going in with Maybelline again. This is Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. Blue setting powder in the color light medium, but I wish I would have done my 35 deep. Now that I'm looking at it, on camera it looks horrible. So I'm going to take the Reina del Caribe palette by Alamar Cosmetics. I'm going to take that Guantanamera color. So I'm taking the red, I'm using that kind of like as an all over color for my lid, and then I'm going to go in with this pretty brown color called Cafecito, and I'm going to use that as like a cut crease color and also as the color on my outer V, because y'all know I like to use my dark browns. So the concealer that I'm using is by NYX. This is HD Studio Photogenic concealer in the color CW04.5. So I'm using Merigold from the Profusion Spectrum, which is 10 shades of, it says Pro Pigment, but it's not, which is why I had to do a cut crease with concealer to make it show up. It wasn't really showing up very well. It's not very pigmented. But it's okay because we are here to make it work, okay? We are working with it. Yes. So I'm going to also take that Guantanamera red color, and I'm going to use that to blend in the brown with the red. So this is just some red glitter that I got off Amazon, and I'm going to take this and I'm going to put that just right there on the line of my cut crease. Everybody clean up, clean up. Okay, I have kids, so I'm singing that. But I'm using that Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm just going to clean up all of the excess shadow that I have just everywhere because I'm a little messy with my eyeshadow. And I'm going to clean that up, and I'm also going to blend it and set that down just like the rest of my face so that it actually matches. I'm taking the Guantanamera color, and I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line of my eyes for a little bit more red. I really want this yellow to pop against this red. And snap it to the other eye. Let's go. There we are. Okay, so now I'm going to finally go on with my deep, and I'm going to set the rest of my face and blend everything together. Like I said, I wish I would have used this as my highlighter setting powder, but I didn't. I'm going to do it next time if my lighting is still not working so that this turns up better. So I'm using a matte setting spray by Black Radiance, and then going in with Reveal from the Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette as a blush. So for highlight, I'm using the Champagne Pop by Becca. She is very bright. Oh, very bright. So I like to highlight my forehead, my chin, my nose, of course, and my upper lip, and also my brow bone, just to make my eyeshadow stand out. I just pretty much highlight everywhere, not just my cheeks. So with matte lipsticks, I have to put chapstick on, so that's what you see me doing here. And for the lip color, I'm going in with this brick red color, which is actually kind of the same color as this cheap. It came off Amazon too. I gotta stick with Amazon. But it's the same color as the Guantanamera red color on my eyes. Is lipstick, so it's a little bit more bright. I don't know. I keep saying bright. But I'm using that, and I like a little dimension on my lips. So I'm taking this nude color, and I'm just gonna blend that in so that it gives my lips, it makes my lips look a little bit more plump instead of just, you know, just one color. So I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It gives me a little length to my little bit of non-existent lashes, so that's what we're going to use today. So my lashes today are the Princess Lashes from the Glam line on 4K Beauty, and this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please stay tuned for a little bit of, you know, commentary at the end. Me just explaining a few things that have been going on. I even matched my nails to my hair for you guys. Okay, so I hope you really do like this look. I have fun doing this. So I have wanted to do something with yellow for a while with red, okay? I have red glitter. I haven't done red glitter, y'all. I was excited for this. So I did that. These lashes are also from 4K Beauty. These are the Princess Lashes. I'm having so much fun during this quarantine, okay? I mean, what else can I do? I can't go out, you know? I mean, I can, but I get looked at, and I don't like people looking at me. Anyway. So I really hope you enjoyed this look. Please leave a comment down below if you want to see something new from me, or if you have something that you're questioning about this look. I will link the products that I used down below if I can find links to them. And I will also just list everything that I used. If you want to see a video on how I styled and cut this into a black bob, which I'm loving, then I will leave a link to that below, or I will link it in a card up here. So yeah, things are going to be coming out regularly now, okay, to the best of my ability. So go check out 4kbeauty.com, like and subscribe, please, okay? Subscribe to this so that you can see all these goodies that I have coming for you, all right? So I'm gonna put some videos over here for y'all, okay? Because let's just keep watching, okay? I have a few, you know, I'm getting a few more. So let's just, which one you want? Just go ahead and click it. All right, bye y'all.